In this video, I will be presenting how to remove pre-installed apps in the Android-based smartphones. Before moving into that, first of all, you need to download and extract the software called ADB, which means Android Debugger, from the given link. You can find this link in the description section of this video, and also an extracted version of this software in the description section of this video via Google Drive link. You may also directly download via Google Drive link that I have provided in the description section of this video. Once you downloaded it, save it onto your desktop and extract it. Once after doing that, in your Android phone, go to the settings. In the settings, you move to the About Phone. In About Phone, you scroll down it. You will find build number, hardware version, kernel version, etc. In this, on build number, click around 10 times on the build number, then you will become the developer. So that means you have become a developer. That means you will be you can use the developer mode option of the mobile phone. Whenever this developer mode was enabled, go back. Here, after going back, above the About phone, you will find an option called Developer Options. Click on Developer Options. Here, in the Developer Options, you will be having turning on the developer option. Here, currently the developer options is off. You turn on this developer option. Whenever you turn on the developer option, so allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause the device and application on it to break or misbehave. So nothing to worry in this. Just should go ahead. Okay. Next, connect the data cable to the phone and computer. Once the data cable is connected, under the developer mode, you scroll down. Here you will be finding debugging. Under this debugging, USB debugging on. It will ask you that the phone has to accept the pairing code. Anyhow, my data cable is already paired, or the mobile phone is already paired previously, and I have asked it to save it permanently. So the system is recording this, recognizing this mobile phone. So hence I no need to do it again. But for the first time, if you are doing or if you are connecting the data cable and turning on this USB debugging, then it will ask you that pair for the code that was generated to pair between the computer and your mobile phone. Next thing is go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, search for the App Inspector. So here is the App Inspector. This is the App Inspector tool. Anyhow, I have installed the App Inspector on my mobile phone. What this App Inspector will do is, this App Inspector will give you the exact package name of the software that you want to remove, because the package name will be different from the application name that you will see on the screen. So we need to remove the package from the Android mobile phone. To do this, we need to have this App Inspector. So now the connection is done with the data cable. Now you install this App Inspector. Once the App Inspector is installed, then turn on the App Inspector. The App Inspector will give you the list of applications that are installed on your computer. After this, go to the ADB folder, which is extracted on the desktop. So I have opened this ADB folder. In this, you will find a folder called Platform Tools. In this, you open the command prompt. Since you have now the data cable is connected between the mobile phone and computer. So to see the list of devices that are connected to the computer, you type ADB space devices. So it will show you the device that is connected to the computer. Now you want to move into the Android debugger shell, ADB space shell. So it is giving you that x60669 underscore intex 37M65. So here it is a device name. This device is of Intex manufacturer. Now to see the list of packages that are available on this device, pm space list space packages. It will list the list of packages or list of applications that are installed on the mobile phone. But we don't know what is the exact package name of it. Here in my Intex phone, I have an application called Opera Mini, which was inbuilt in the mobile phone. I want to remove this Opera Mini. So in the app inspector, check for Opera Mini. So here is the Opera Mini. So click on Opera Mini. Here you will get the package name. The package name is com.opera.mini.native. Now use this package name for deletion. The command to be used is pm uninstall -user. Here the uninstallation will be done only in the root mode. No other user can remove the packages. Hence --user 0. 0 means it is the user root user. 0 space the package name. Package name is com.opera.mini.native. Whenever this package is removed, you will get a output as success. It means that package is permanently removed from the mobile phone. Like that, you identify what are the pre-installed apps that will be creating trouble and also consuming a lot of resources, also giving you the unnecessary notifications on your mobile phone, list them, and via app inspector identify their package names, use this ADB debugging and connect your mobile phone and uninstall the package as shown here.